What's up, guys? It's Matt here. It is our last couple hours here in Mammoth. We are leaving the hotel. We're gonna get breakfast. We're gonna get coffee. We're gonna get everything situated. We have everything in the car. We're good to go. I'm going to get something that I've been wanting to get here since we got here. After that, we're gonna go and head back home and use that little gift I told you about 2 days ago. Let's just go ahead and get in the car. We're here at one of the spots that I was telling you about, pie in a jar. I got the Mammoth mud pie, something that people who come here, travelers and tourists, come and get this. It's semi-popular here. Now we're just gonna go head back. Alright guys, so we are back. We are done. We're back home. So we're gonna get everything packed inside, and I'm kinda tired, so I'm not gonna edit anything today. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed what's to come.